Hi, my name is Anubhav Kettry. Today in this video I'll be showing how to exploit process scripting using RevSheller. You can get this tool from GitHub and the link will be there in the description. We will be doing this test on a testing web application DBWA. So first let's start with downloading the tool from GitHub. Inside the folder you will see there's a script called revsheller.py. So we'll execute this script using Python. It is asking for lhost, so leave as it is, don't make any changes, and even for the L ports. If you want to get this connection on any other system or any other port, then only make the changes, otherwise leave as it is. You will see that RevSeller created a JavaScript payload. Now you just copy this script and paste it in the process scripting affected area. Execute the code, and you can see you got a shell kind of thing where it is asking for you to enter commands now. So now you can run any command and you will see the output out there. See, you can even try to redirect it to some other website if you want. See, so this video is only for education purpose. Thank you. We'll see you again in the next video.